Hello guys, it's Wizardo. In today's video, I'm making this short. For this short, I used this Twixtor clip. First, add a null. Parent Thursday main clip to null. Add one keyframe of scale in half of UR clip or near the starting frame. Add one keyframe in the start and one in the end of clip. Make first keyframe value the scale value low to 50 to 60. And third or last keyframe value to plus 2000. Select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Select keyframe and go to curves and make it like me. Adjust this until it looks good and give it some time. After doing some adjustment, add motion tile on the clip. Make output width 190, output height 190, and on mirror edges. Add text. Then add a solid layer and give it element 3D effect. In that, first go to custom layers. Second, custom text and mask and path layer, add text layer. Third, custom texture maps and add main clip. And go to scene setup. Click on extrude on the top. Add some texture on it and do some adjustment as pure you are need. After that, go to environment option and clip like me. And make some twice for some cool look. Click OK. Go to middle keyframe and adjust it as spear you are seeing like I'm doing. Parent element layer to null. Time for 3D text animation. First go to Group 1 and Element 3D. Second multi-object and enable it. Third, make rotation random to 250 to 300 and change dispulse value to -70 to -90. Then add a keyframe for rotation random in the start of clip and one on middle value of 0. And do same for displace value. And select all keyframes and make them easy ease by pressing F9. And adjust curve like me and give it some time until it looks good. After that, add a shine effect and make some adjustment. And add some overlay. and on motion blur. And the scene is ready.